Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing an update on my Coach Empire Carryall in the size 28. I have the dark stone color. I purchased this back in February, so I've had it going on 5 months. So this is a perfect time, in my opinion, to give an honest review of how this bag has been working for me in the past 5 months. So without further ado, hit that subscribe button and like this video for more purse videos, reviews, unboxings, and all of that, along with my fitness content that I post on a regular basis as well. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Yesenia. I'm a trainer, I'm a mom, I'm pregnant with my second child currently, about 32 weeks pregnant, and this is such a good mom bag, by the way. So yes, let's get right into it. So I purchased this off of Amazon back in February. I watched a bunch of videos. I fell in love with this purse. I love all the sizes, but this one for me is the most practical currently. And I don't have the soft Empire Carryall. There's a soft version, and then this one is the one that has the gloved tanned leather, the original gloved tanned leather, and then this one only has one zip pocket in the center of the bag. I know in my first video a lot of people were confused saying that they have a zipper on their size 28, but you have a different version of this specific bag. So this is the one I have. I absolutely love how there is one zipper compartment right in the center of the bag, and then there's 2 open compartments. It's easy to grab, easy to access. So without further ado, let's just go right into the overall wear and tear of this bag over the past 5 months. So right off the bat, I definitely need to use like a baby wipe to wipe it. I have like some juice stains or something like that on here. And then I have some nail. This is like a soft leather. It's like not super squishy, but not super soft or firm. I mean, it's kind of firm. It has like the nice, what would you call that? Nice stable bottom, structured bottom rather. But yeah, it's kind of hard to see on camera, but there are some scratches. Yeah, you can see it there from nails or keys or whatever it is, or just rubbing up against things. But for 5 months, normal wear and tear. And again, on the back, you have that a little bit too, but it honestly looks fine in my opinion. It kind of goes with the bag. It doesn't stick out like a sore thumb unless you're really like staring at it and fixating over it. The sides here are in great condition. There are a little bit of scuff marks around. Yeah, you can see a little white scuff mark here. I'm sure when I clean that up, I will get that out, but it hasn't been a huge concern of mine. Again, little white scuffs around the bottom. The bottom itself, again, has a couple more scratches, but we have the little feet, which are very handy, and they're in good condition as well. And then let's see, the strap is great, no issues with that. Normal wear and tear. I pretty much wear it on the shortest because I'm about 5'5", 5'6", give or take, and it works for me. I'll actually show you how it looks on me. Wear it crossbody mainly, and it just works perfect. To me, it's not super bulky. I absolutely love it. I have no issues with it, and it's so easy to take off. Like if I'm putting my son in his car seat, I take it off like so, place it on the seat, and then get him situated. So I love the functionality of it, the versatility of it, and yeah, so that's a quick overview of that. I had some bag charms on here, but they kind of flop around too much, especially if I'm running after my son. They're flopping all around and then they go inside the bag. So I figure just use the little Coach tag it comes with as my little charm for now. no biggie on that. So here's an overview of the inside. In the back pocket, I usually will keep stuff I access on a regular. I have some pens, some lip products. I love this little flat pocket back here, very handy. And then right in the back here, I have my 2025 agenda. And that's currently all I have in the back right now. I kind of been using this bag. I kind of go back and forth with my Speedy. So the back, you can fit a good amount. And let's see, I have it on the largest setting here, or the loosest setting. So that way I have more room to open the bag. And then we'll go right into the front here. I have some protein bars and granola bars as a snack because I'm always on the go and I'm always hungry with being pregnant, right? And then I have my keys and my little wallets. And then that's currently all I have in my bag. Now I will use a water bottle in here, and I don't care if it sticks out whatsoever. It fits. Again, being a mom, you need your hands free. So I'll use a water bottle, or I'll put a water bottle right in the front or in the back. Again, that's why I love how there's only one zipper compartment and the other two spots are open and easy to access. And then we get into the middle compartment, which I love the middle compartment because it holds a lot. And mind you, the more you store in the middle compartment, the less space you have on either side of the bag. So that's something to be mindful of, but I'm gonna show you all what can fit in here. So we got a hair clip, a little hand lotion, got some gum, got some wet ones. I have my little mini bag with a bunch of like lip balms in here, nail cuticle oil. I have a tripod that I got from TikTok. I have, okay, I'm pregnant, so hemorrhoids are a thing, TMI, whatever. I have a hemorrhoid wipe. And then I have 2 packs. I went to the dentist recently for a cleaning and they gave me some tooth picks, or floss picks rather. Have my earbuds in here because I do use, like if I'm going to the gym, I don't always use a gym bag. Sometimes I'll just bring my regular purse, and yeah, that's the only time I wear my earbuds. And then I have 2 loose Vaseline lip balm, and then Juvie, I don't know how, that brand, I got it from Ulta. I love this lip gloss. And then I think that's it. Oh, my sister made me a bracelet. My birthday recently. But yeah, that is all I have currently on the inside. Again, nice size pocket, absolutely love it. And the wear and tear on the inside, it's like a microfiber lining, so it does collect dust and stuff, but it's so easy to just wipe it clean. And then the inside looks like so. Again, really good condition. I take care of my bags, but I don't baby them. So currently have no staining, no marks on the inside of it, just like little fuzzies that hang out at the bottom of a bag normally. But I absolutely love it. No complaints. Grateful that I got this bag, and handles are in great shape. Again, I just have to use a baby wipe to wipe around it. And I love how sturdy these are. I love wearing it as a top handle bag without the strap on. So that's how it looks without the strap. And sometimes I'll wear it like so, and then I'll store the strap right inside of the bag. That way, again, as a mom, versatility. But I absolutely love it. Great condition for being 5 months. I'll show you like a close-up. Here's the back, the bottom, the sides, and the front. And then an overview of the inside. But yeah, that's my update of my Coach Empire Carryall in the size 28 dark stone. Beautiful color. I do love the soft leather bag option too, with one big compartment. I love that. I think it's super cute, but I have this one. I don't need to get multiples because I have my Speedy in the Louis Vuitton, so I'm good there. But thanks for watching my updated video. Like and subscribe for more content, and I will see you around. Take care, guys.